evening everyone, my name is Muhammad Adam. Today we are discussing the topic of thermal stress and its crucial impact in the design and analysis of engineering systems. My group members and I are going to explain the specific application of thermal stress, which is the thermostat of an electric kettle. Okay, thermal stress is simply the stress brought by the temperature changes in a material or structure. Materials tend to expand or contract when subjected to temperature changes, creating internal stresses and strains in the material. This phenomenon can be used to our advantage in the form of biometric strip. A biometric strip is used to convert temperature change into mechanical displacement. The strip consists of two strips of different metals which expand at different rates as they heated. In our application, this occurrence can be utilized to connect and break an electric circuit. For the description of our structure, it is a white kind brand electric kettle. We acquired this kettle from our classmate Hazwan, who lives with us in Kettle. As you can see from the picture, we took apart the handle, exposing the inner workings of the structure. The biometric strip is located inside the black plastic casing. Unfortunately, we cannot disassemble the casing, thus exposing the biometric strip without damaging the kettle. But you can see the subtle outline of the biometric strip pointed here.
Thank you, Adam, for the presentation. So now I'm going to continue with the problem statement. So before that, my name is Muaz bin Abdul Malik with method number 207529. So as you all know that in a kettle application, it will involve an enormous heat generated as the water will boil in the kettle before it's safe to be used. So in the end, the kettle will become very hot due to the electric current flows into it. So if it not be controlled, it will waste a lot of energy since a kettle uses a lot of power in only a few minutes, and in a worst case scenario, it may create a significant accident due to this problem. So, in order for us to tackle this issue, engineers have created a kettle with a biometric strip which will act as a circuit breaker, so that if the water has been boiled, it will break the circuit and the kettle will be switched off. So in this report, we will describe a method for expressing on how to improve the biometric strip of a thermostat in a kettle. So that's all from me. I'm going to pass to another presenter. Thank you.
My name is Ahmad Izzamin Azzi and my matrix number is 207850. So I will be presenting on the thermal analysis of electric kettle. So first of all, thermal stress occurs in the electric kettle due to mechanical strain and potential damage. This is because the temperature change when the electric kettle is functioning or working. So the expansion and contraction may result in stress within the kettle's component, which may lead to mechanical failure such as deformation. So first, one of the problems that will arise is thermal stress, thermal expansion, where there is change in size of material due to temperature change that can be calculated using the formula of change in length equal to coefficient of linear expansion, time with initial length, and time with change in temperature. So this will help estimate how much the kettle's component will be expand or contract due to the temperature changes or variation. So next is the problem that transpires is stress due to constraint expansion. This happens when material thermal expansion is restricted by its surrounding. So the foundation for comprehending and analyzing the thermal stress in electric kettle is provided using this formula. That is all for me. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Doctor. My name is Muhammad Akmal Arif bin Muhammad Nazir and my method number is 207573. As from my part, I will be presenting about the modification system of the water heater itself. So, in the current technology of water heater, normally many water heater don't have any temperature adjustment where we can adjust the temperature by ourselves. So the modification that necessary that is the temperature adjustment system where we can put the manipulate the temperature of the water in terms of increasing or decreasing based on our needed. The second modification that necessary is the recirculation system. By adding the recirculation system to the water heater, we can maintain the temperature of water by long time by circulating the heat throughout the pipe. So the advantage of adding this recirculation system is that we can minimize the consumption of the energy itself and also increase the timeline for the water temperature to decrease. Okay, the third part and last part of modification that necessary is the power source itself. In the current water heater, we normally use electricity as our base of power source. So, since we have many type of energy, we can utilize energy such as solar system to the water heater because solar energy is infinite energy, and also we can utilize a clean energy. So and also reduce the reliance of the fossil fuel and also lower the carbon emission. I think that's all for me. I will pass it to another group member. Thank you.
In conclusion, the problem that we have identified is that the heating element in the thermostat will increase the temperature uncontrollably if the kettle continues to receive electricity from the power source. So various modifications were made to improvise the functionality of the kettle, such as improve the performance of the heating element in the thermostat so that it can save more energy yet work efficiently. So that's all from us. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.